Speaking of action films, Tiger Shroff, he is an amazing action entertainer. So another action entertainer is Akshay Kumar. So would you want to be against him in one movie in future?
Yeah, definitely. Why not? I was a big fan of him. I loved his films, and to work with him, that will be like, I mean, the biggest opportunity I would have got.
पर्पस तो यही था कि फिल्म में ऐसा लगे कि ओवर शैडो करते हैं, उनसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गर हों. बट बिगनिंग से ये थॉट नहीं था कि नेगेटिव प्ले करना है. आई थिंक ही इज़ ऑल्सो हीरो इन द फिल्म. कहीं पे आपके लाइफ के मकसद चेंज हो जाते हैं, तो मुझे नहीं लगता. आई थिंक वो भी बहुत अच्छा पार्ट था. आई थिंक दिस ऑल्सो वेरी गुड पार्ट.
In life, it's not necessary you have one goal. Your goals keep changing. At that point of time, I wanted to play badminton. But during that period, you can't make a living through by playing sport. Only the top cream people can make a life out of it. And there's always a limit, there's always risk in it. So my parents wanted me to continue studying. So I've just got back into studies. So after completing my studies, then the next interest was acting for me. So that's how I came into this field.
So how did the first break in?
My sister-in-law, that's Mahesh's sister, was making a film in Telugu. And it's just that, I was into films, but I never realized I want to make it as a career. I come from a place called Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh, where the entertainment is only films. So I've grown up seeing films, my father-in-law's films. So that's how I had this interest towards films, and that's how I come into film. Yeah.
So you have already directed Akshay earlier, and Sylvester Stallone of course, and Kareena once. I mean, you have already worked with great already. So being an action director, like पहले भी action सारे stars थे, अभी सारे action. Who is your favorite? Who is your best?
I think it's been a sweet coincidence that there's been a thread of action in all my three films. It's not been deliberate. I look at Heropanti more as a human drama than as an action film. Who's my favorite? I think currently Tiger and Sudhir are my favorites.
Thank you, sir.
Did you have any other name for this role? Did you have any other
नहीं यार, बहुत मुश्किल थी उस टाइम पे. समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि हाउ डू वी कास्ट दिस पार्ट. जैसे मैंने बोला, आई डेंट वांट टू कास्ट एनीबडी एंड मेक देम लुक लाइक दे वर साउथ इंडियन. It would look very fake. We auditioned about 50-60 people for the part, and I think we got lucky. So it was very tough. कोई दिमाग में नाम ही नहीं था. ये था कि शायद वहाँ से कोई हीरो को लेंगे, बट उस लेवल की फिटनेस एंड फॉर somebody to be on par with the Tiger Shroff was very difficult. I think I'm just fortunate to have found him.
Thank you.
How helpful was Tiger Shroff in the action scenes? On your scenes together, how helpful was he? How did you manage to relate to the writers?
Let me tell you this character Raghav. Tiger gets inspired seeing me in the film, but in real life I've got inspired seeing him because there's always like fighting is not about hitting each other. It's also like it's also like dancing. You need to get the timing correct. So the time he hits, you need to bend. All the timing should be perfect. So he was very. He always made sure that he doesn't hit the opposite person. But for me, I hit him once. But he was very. I mean, he was very calm, and he didn't even complain about it. I was the one who stopped the shot, and I said, "I'm so sorry," but he didn't stop the shot. Tiger is one bundle of energy. Even before getting, even if they shoot, before the shoot he used to work out. If he can't work out before the shoot, after the workout, after the shoot he used to work out. And even during the shoot, he's doing some movement, some dance move, or some kick he'll be practicing. And I used to feel like the only time he's resting is while he's sleeping. So I think seeing him, I used to get inspired and get motivated to work much more harder. मैं उतना खराब नहीं है, थोड़ा थोड़ा बात कर सकता हूँ. इसलिए नहीं बात कर क्योंकि मीडिया है, पूरा लोग जान जाएगा कि मैं हिंदी इतना अच्छी नहीं आता. So what about the dialogue in the film? माना मेरा तरीका गलत था, मगर क्या करूं, तुझसे बहुत प्यार करता हूं. I'm so sorry. I've done a better job in the film. I'm a little nervous seeing you people.
In the film, he's a man of few words, so I think his performance speaks much more than the accent.
अच्छा इसके अलावा कहीं आपको ऐसा हिंदी फिल्मों का ऐसा डायलॉग बहुत फेमस है, कोई ऐसा डायलॉग जो आपके दिल के सबसे ज़्यादा करीब हो, आप कभी प्रैक्टिस करते रहे हो जाके ऐसा, if you count it.
I never practiced till now any Hindi dialogue, to be very frank. I normally used to say, रिश्ते में तुम्हारा बाप होता है, नाम है शहंशाह.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.